Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to merge C drive and D drive in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. Again, type again if it's not typing here in your button search bar and proceed with the best match, which is a system called File Explorer, and go with Open to continue. Wait until a new window would appear, which is your File Explorer window, where here you can see your devices and drives. Okay? If you are not being redirected here, simply proceed with this PC and you would be able to see a window like this. So you would be able to see your C drive and your D drive, which is your healthy recovery partition. And if you want to merge that, I'll be teaching you the easy step. Okay. So in my case, I don't have the D drive, which is a healthy recovery partition. But in your case, if you have, then simply follow the steps. Okay. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to back up all the files that you have or that you have contained in your D drive. So let's say, for example, this is your D drive, double tap to it, and you need to copy all of the files listed or present in your D drive and back up it into your C drive. So proceed with your C drive or local disk, and please do a right click and paste it here. Okay? So you can also create a new folder. So do a right click, go with new and folder and name that into D drive. Once you have renamed that, double tap to it and please paste all the important data, the documents, the files that you have in your D drive. Okay? Once you have once you have backed up all the important datas or files that you have in your D drive, okay? Again, in my case, I don't have that D drive, which is a healthy recovery partition, but if you have that in your computer, then simply follow the steps, okay, to avoid any complications. So in this PC, please do a right click, go with show more options and select unmanaged. Wait until a new window would appear, which is your computer management, where here you need to proceed at the left side of your screen and look for disk management. Simply click on it and you would be redirected here to disk management. Okay. So you would be able to see your C drive as well as your D drive here aligning to that. In my case, again, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, then simply follow the steps. So let's say, for example, this is your D drive. Please do a right click and go with delete volume. Okay? So don't worry because even if you delete the volume, yes, your data would be deleted, but at least you have a backed up here in your C drive since we backed up that earlier in this video. Okay, so simply click on delete volume and once you have deleted it, click on yes. Okay, again, I don't have the G drive or the healthy recovery partition, but in your case, if you have, simply follow the steps. Okay, once you have deleted your D drive, please do a right click here and go with extend volume. Okay, once you have the click on it, my extend volume is being grayed out since I don't have a healthy recovery partition, which is a D drive. But in your case, you have that. Okay. So go with extend volume and click on next and complete the procedure and choose D drive and go with extend. And in that manner, you would be able to merge the C and D drive in your Windows. Okay. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.